Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to give customers credit in QuickBooks Online. This is a useful feature when you need to issue a refund, correct an overcharge, or provide store credit to maintain good customer relationships. Let's start by clicking the plus new button on the left side navigation menu. This button is your gateway to creating any new transaction in QuickBooks, and it'll open up a menu with various options for different types of transactions you can process. From the drop-down menu that appears, look under the Customers section and select Credit Note. This option is specifically designed for issuing credits to customers, whether it's for return products, service adjustments, or any other reason you need to credit their account. Next, you'll need to choose the customer to whom you want to give credit from the Customer drop-down. This ensures the credit is applied to the correct account and appears on their transaction history. QuickBooks will pull up their existing information once you select their name. Before moving forward, take a moment to verify or update the customer's email address. This is important because QuickBooks will automatically send a credit notification to them, keeping your customer informed about the credit they've received. Having the correct email ensures smooth communication. Now it's time to select the products or services you want to credit the customer for. You have flexibility here. You can use the same items from the original invoice if you're crediting something they previously purchased, or you can add new credit items if the situation calls for it. This gives you control over exactly what's being credited. After selecting the items, enter the credit amount for each product or service as needed. You might be crediting the full amount or just a partial credit depending on the circumstances. QuickBooks allows you to adjust these amounts to reflect the exact credit you want to issue. Don't forget to fill in any other required fields, such as the date. The date field is particularly important for your records and helps maintain accurate financial reporting, especially if you're crediting something from a previous billing period. Finally, click Save and Close to complete the process. The credit will now be recorded in your QuickBooks system and applied to the customer's account, and they'll receive their notification email. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.